Good morning, boys and girls. We have reached the very last day of April, April the 30th. So we're going to look at our calendar today and see that it's Thursday, April 30th. And since one of our learning goals for the year was to count all the way to 30, let's start today and count all the way to 30 together. You can clap or do jumping jacks at home while I point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And since it's the last day of April, that's the 4th month, we're still in the season of spring, let's do our months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. There are 12. Let's see what our pattern is today. What do you think if we would continue to the next day of May it would be? We have umbrella, tulip, frog, and then we have umbrella, tulip, frog. So tomorrow's would be an umbrella again. Now, today is Thursday. Do you know what yesterday was? Yesterday was Wednesday. And yesterday begins with the letter that we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about the letter Y. Let's talk about the letter Y today. It's the very last letter in our alphabet. And you can make it because the top of it looks like a V that has a stick in the middle. Watch this as I make a capital letter Y. So you see here you have the V, and if you put a stick or a tail on it, you have a capital letter Y. The small lowercase letter Y looks a little different. It also starts off like a V, but instead of stopping at the bottom, you keep on going down toward the left side. Watch this again. You make a little V, but you keep on making this tail longer. That's the lowercase y. The uppercase or capital Y looks like a V with a tail in the middle. Y says yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you say that sound? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have several things on a poster today that look and begin with the letter Y. So let's say them after Miss Lassie. Here's an animal called a yak. Yak begins with the letter Y. Yoga, yam, which is a vegetable, yacht, yellow, the color yellow. We're going to talk a lot about that today. Yolk, which is the middle of an egg, and a yo-yo, which is a toy. There's some other words that you might think of that start with the letter Y that I did too. Yes, yawn. The year, it's 2020. That's what year we're in. And yesterday. Remember when we said yesterday was Wednesday? Today is Thursday. Yes, yawn, year, and yesterday all begin with the letter Y. I see some pictures on our alphabet chart that are all the color yellow. Do you see them? The balloon is yellow. The giraffe is yellow. The sunshine is yellow. And the umbrella is yellow. Let's go all the way to Y today when we sing our song. By the way, the Y picture today is yarn, and I have some yellow yarn here we're going to count with in just a few minutes. Let's sing our alphabet song. A says ah, 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 ah. B says B like Benjamin and Benton. C says K like Caroline. D says D like dinosaur. E says E like egg. F says F like Finn and Fletch. G says G like gorilla. That's a giraffe. H says H just like Hudson. I says I like the beginning of Isla. J says J just like Joy. K says K like Catherine. And L says O like Miss Lassie. M says like Madison and Magnus. N says like numbers. O says like owl and octopus. P says P like pumpkin. P. Q says Qu like quiet. R says like rabbit. S says S like Skylar and sun. T says T just like train. U says like umbrella. V says V like volcano. W says W like whale. And X says X like the end of the word box. Y says yeah like yarn. We're almost finished with the alphabet. Boys and girls, since yellow starts with the letter Y, I got some yellow things around my house for us to count to the number 15. I have lids and crayons and ribbon and counters and paper clips and buttons and even yarn. Everything is yellow, and we're going to practice counting to 15. And as I say the number, we'll take the things off. You can go on a little search around your house too and see how many things you can find that are yellow today. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Boys and girls, I wanted to read a story to you today to finish our time together. And since we were talking about the letter Y and the color yellow that says yeah at the Y sound at the beginning, I just want to show you that I'm wearing yellow pants. And it got me to thinking about one of our favorite classroom books about colors. Do you remember us reading Dog's Colorful Day? It's one of our favorites, and I hope you will enjoy it today. It's a messy story about colors and counting. Dog's Colorful Day by Emma Dodd. This is Dog. As you can see, Dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. At breakfast time, Dog sits under the table as usual. Splat! A drip of red jam lands on his back. Now Dog has 2 spots. Let's count them together. 1, 2. He slips past the man painting the front door after breakfast when he runs outside. His tail dips into the paint, the blue paint. And now Dog has 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. A black one, a red one, and a blue one. Dog runs to the park and rolls on the grass. Squash! The grass makes a green stain on his white coat. And now Dog has 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dog follows a little boy eating chocolate. Squish! The boy gives Dog a chocolatey pat, but no chocolate. And now Dog has 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bee buzzes up to see what's going on. Swish! The bee drops yellow pollen as it flies by. Now dog has 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what kind of ventures he gets into now. Oh no, dog is trotting through the park and splash! A drop of pink ice cream lands on his right ear. And now dog has 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time to go home. Dog runs up the street. Splash! A bouncing ball splatters dog with gray mud. Now dog has 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's the gray one, number 8. 8 spots. In front of the gate, dog steps on a carton of orange juice. Splurt! A patch of orange appears on his leg. Now dog has, did you say 9? 9 spots. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dog races back inside the house and knocks right into Vicky. Silly dog. Vicky's purple marker leaves a smudge on dog's head. Now dog has 10 spots. Vicky looks down at dog and she counts his colorful spots. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looks more closely. A red spot for jam, a blue blob of paint, a green stain of grass, a yellow patch of pollen, a brown smear of chocolate, a pink drop of ice cream, a gray splatter of mud, an orange splash of juice, a purple smudge of ink, and, of course, a black spot on his left ear. You need a bath, dog. And she's giving him a bath. Looks like he's smiling and enjoying that. When dog climbs into bed, he has just 1 black spot on his left ear. Good night, dog. What a colorful day you've had.